Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to find crypto coins before they explode. So one of the things that I do is go to birdeye.so and look for insider information. So you can go here to your leaderboards and check the gainers for 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, and you will see the best gainers and their address. So we have one right here who trades in Ethereum with 127 million in BNL, and that's only in 434 trades right here. The rest are just bots as signified right here. They are bots. So as you can see right here, you also have this 52 trades and almost a PNL of 90 million. So let's check that out, that address. So they trade basically in Ethereum right here, and you can check out their actual assets and their actual coins that they hold. So the balance change right here has been significant. So it looks like they trade alts right here. And as you can see, it looks like he usually just trades alts. So this is something not really a meme coin thing, but this is just an altcoin type of experience right here. So let's go to the 7 days. He has a PNL of 16,000. That's still significant right here. And all he has to do is swap DAI into USDC, and he just swaps it back. And it's just simple type of trading profile. So next is going to again to our leaderboards, and right here you can search by trader or by address right there, or you can select a certain chain. So let's go back and let's go with Solana. So Solana has one of the most extensive networks when it comes to meme coins, and as you can see right here, let's track this one, 31 trades, and all he had to do is hold certain types of coins such as chill girl, chill boy, and many more right here. So you can track these wallets. You can use a bot to automate and track it, and it will be actually informed when he buys a coin and when he swaps. So right here is their history in their salt scan right here, and you can get this right here for free basically. So you can check out their transactions and know when they're doing a transaction, and you can early get in and get out. So there you go guys, that is how I personally find crypto coins before they explode.